Passing the West African examinations. Council Waec. Examinations requires a combination of hard work, smart studying, and effective time management. Here are some tips to help you excel. Understand the syllabus. 1. Familiarize yourself with the Waec syllabus for each subject. 2. Identify key topics and areas of focus. Develop a study plan. 1. Create a study schedule that covers all subjects and topics. 2. Set realistic goals and deadlines. 3. Prioritize challenging subjects or topics. Effective study techniques. 1. Active learning. Engage with study materials through summarizing notes, creating concept maps, or making flashcards. 2. Practice past questions. Use past Waec questions to familiarize yourself with the exam format and time management. 3. Group study. Collaborate with classmates to discuss challenging topics and share resources. Time management. 1. Allocate time wisely. Divide your study time effectively among subjects and topics. 2. Avoid procrastination. Stay focused and motivated. 3. Take breaks. Regular breaks can help maintain productivity. Exam preparation. 1. Review notes. Regularly review your notes and study materials. 2. Practice under timed conditions. Simulate exam conditions to build endurance and time management skills. 3. Stay calm and focused. Develop strategies to manage exam stress and stay focused. Additional tips. 1. Seek help. Don't hesitate to ask teachers or classmates for help when needed. 2. Stay organized. Keep your study materials and notes organized. Three, believe in yourself. Maintain a positive attitude and confidence in your abilities. By following these tips, you'll be well prepared to excel in your Waec examinations. Stay committed, stay focused, and you'll achieve your goals.